Hi guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now I'm very excited about this video. Now I was contacted by TAP Performance and asked if I'd be interested in running some of their products. And of course I said, heck yeah.
And then they presented it to me and I was like, heck yeah, I do.
Now what they sent me is their 4-inch chrome BAM stick slip-on mufflers with the 2.5-inch louvered baffle, which is their medium. Now I'll be putting them on my 2012 Police Harley Road King. Now the reason I got this set of mufflers is because I didn't want to change the look of the bike too much. You know, I use it for my ProRider course, I use it for my YouTube channel, and also I do demo rides with it. So I want to keep the look kind of the same. I don't want anything too loud or too meaty. And I'm very excited about these mufflers, and I'm sure they're going to look and sound great. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box. Now I did kind of pre-open this a little bit here because I didn't want to be on camera struggling, trying to open up the box. Kind of embarrassing. But let's see what's in here. Let's go ahead and take it off. First, we got the instructions here. Also a little TAP Performance sticker as well. Do this stuff on the floor. Let's see. You go there nicely wrapped. Take one out of the plastic so you can see it. There you go. Very, very nice look. I got the cut on it here. I'm going to probably keep it this way. You know, you can turn this around to either be up like this, to the side, or down. So I know I may just keep it like that. I like that look as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead. Well, here, let me open up the other one too. See, it's going to be the same thing, of course, but let me go ahead and open it up. There you go. Very nice. Very well put together. I'm very interested to see how these look and sound on the bike. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go out. I'm going to install these things. And it's not going to be an install video. There's plenty of good install videos out there. But I'm going to install these things. Then we're going to get a before and after with my stock pipes. And then with these pipes here and see what you think. So let's go ahead and head out. See what these things sound like. All right, so now let's check out these stock pipes. Now I'm going to do a cold start. And then I'm going to do a couple of revs so we can see what they sound like. Okay, so now we're out here. I have my stock pipes on. I'm gonna do some takeoffs, some drive-bys, see how they sound. All right, guys, so I have the TAP Performance pipes put on. Man, they look great. It really changed the look of the bike. It really makes it look really, really nice. So let's go ahead. It's gonna be the cold start. Hadn't started them up yet. It's gonna be the first time. See how they sound. All right, so again, we have the TAP Performance pipes on. I'm gonna do a couple of takeoffs, a couple of drive-bys to kind of see how they sound. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at these mufflers on the bike. You can see they look really good. I'm really pleased with them. Man, they make the bike look different. Like I said, I really like the look of them, but not only do they look good, but they sound good as well. So if you're looking to upgrade your mufflers, I highly recommend TAP Performance. I don't think there's any way you can go wrong with these mufflers. Now the next thing I'm gonna say is strictly my opinion. So you can take it or leave it, or take it for what it's worth. But I don't rely on my mufflers to save my life. I rely on my training. Now loud pipes can be a small positive factor in your favor in helping you prevent a crash. But I rely on a bigger factor, which is improving my skills. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.